everybody, today we are trying some new freeze-dried vegetables and fruit that is from a rescue called Jones North Wales Parrot Rescue, so please go and support her. She does really good things with parrots, that she rehomes and rescues, and yeah, so these bags are $7.99 each, I think, and if you want to support the rescue, please pop along there and buy your parrots some lovely freeze-dried food. I'm giving it a try. As you can see, there's all the ingredients there of what is actually in it. So this is the vegetable one, and this is the fruit one. So as you can see, there's lots of different fruits in it, and it's very yummy, and I'm going to try it on my parrots right now and see what they think of it. So here's Albert, and we're going to tip some of the fruity one in and see what Albert thinks of it. So here we go. There we go, Albert. I would say it's a hit. Albert's liking it. Is that yummy, Albert? Is that really nice? Yeah? So this is the fruity one, and as you can see, lots of different fruits. And Albert's really loving it. Look, what's this, Albert? Oh, we've got raspberry. Yum! Albert likes the raspberry, as you can see. Loving it. And then we've got a cherry, Albert. So as you can see, he's really loving it. We've got a strawberry, Albert. Would you like to try the strawberry? Albert is a fruit parrot, so he likes to eat lots of fruit. It's in his breed, so he can have a lot of fruit. Most birds can only have like fruit once a week, or one fruit a day. But Albert can have quite a lot of fruit because he's a collector parrot, and if he was in the wild, he would live on fruit and veg. He would have no seeds, no pellets, nothing like that. So yeah, so this is the fruity one. So we're going to try Humphrey on the vegetable one. See what Humphrey thinks. Yeah, Humphrey? You going to have some? What's this? Humphrey has an orange beak at the moment because she's been eating some orange fruit. So her beak is like stained orange at the moment. So we've given Pudding some of the vegetables to try. Hopefully she'll start eating some. Some of them are a little bit big for Pudding, as you can probably see. So she's enjoying the fruity one. We'll try in anyway. So yeah, she likes to join in with the others. So here's Humphrey enjoying the vegetable mix, the dried freeze vegetable mix. She's loving it too. And you, Humphrey.